We've just acquired this Ford Focus ST line diesel, lovely condition. It's got the full ST body styling kit, alloy wheels, it's in lovely condition as you can see. It's got the high level rear spoiler, it's got the ST Sport seats with the red stitch piping. It's got sync, factory satellite navigation, just get that up there for you. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, USB port, 6-speed gearbox. Your satellite navigation is just there. Multifunction steering wheel, electric windows, electric mirrors. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.